Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. If you've not seen any of these videos before, I'm an approved driving instructor here in the UK, and if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you get all the new videos that we're going to be dropping. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is part 3 and we're going to run through the final set of tell me questions. Okay, so these are all to do with your lights. So the first one here would be tell me how you would check your headlights and tail lights are working before starting a journey. Very simple answer to this. You would switch them on and then you would get out of the car and walk all the way around it, making sure that all your lights are on. The next question that you might get asked here is tell me how you would switch from dipped headlights to main beam. Now this is also known as your brights, your big headlights, however you want to describe it. It is your full beam that we are talking about. So the dipped headlights are what you drive around with at night normally, and your full beam would what you would be using when you're in a country road with no other street lights, so it helps you to see a little bit further. Again, you'd switch on your dipped headlights and you would then operate the switch to put the main beams on. Make sure you know how to do this within your own car, because you do want to show them how you do this. The next question would be tell me how you would switch on your rear fog lights and when would you use them. Again, this is normally somewhere around your dipped headlight switch depending on the car. What you would want to do is you actually want to operate the switch so that the rear fog light warning light will come up on the dashboard. The next part of that question is when would you use them. Don't say the obvious answer, in fog, because that's not what they're looking for. The answer in black and white for this is when visibility is reduced below 100 meters. A little bit hard for you to gauge in the real world, but if you have a look at this shot and if you see the buildings towards the bottom of where the road narrows, that is roughly around about 100 meters from where I'm stood at the moment. So what you would want to do at that point is if you couldn't see those buildings where the road is narrowing there, then that is where you would have your rear fog lights on. If you can't see that, you need to have your fog lights on. How would you know if the brake lights are working before starting a journey? And this one sometimes catches people out because they've got to think, well, I need to put my foot on the brake pedal to be able to see the brake lights, but then I'm sat in the car, so I can't do that. Well, dead simple. You either use reflections, whether that be the car is parked against a window or something like that, or if you've got somebody with you, you'd ask them to get out and just have a look for you. Again, we are not looking for mainstream, fully qualified mechanics here. We're looking to make sure that you've got a good idea that if something's not right with the car, you can spot it and then you can take it and get it fixed. That's what they want to make sure, is that we've not got a load of people out on the roads in the UK with no brake lights on. We've not got people out there that don't know how to operate the fog lights or when they should be using them. And the final one for the lights is tell me how you would check the direction indicators are working. These are your indicators that tell people whether you're going left or right. Again, very simply, you'd switch them on, normally using your hazard symbol, because that's the easiest way to do it, and then just get out and check they're all working. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been helpful to you. If this is your first time coming to the channel, do make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you do get told whenever we've got new videos coming. I'm dropping quite a lot of them at the minute because I'm trying to get some of the main important ones up there for you, and some of the other questions that I've been asked by some of my students to do a video on, I'm making sure that they're up there for you. So keep that bell notification on to make sure you don't miss a single video upcoming. Good luck with your test, everybody. I wish you every success and I really hope that you pass. Make sure you go into your test with those big, positive, confident attitudes. If there's anything that you want me to do a video on, make sure you pop it in the comments below or drop me a message on Facebook and I'll do a video for you. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye.